To access the air filter, first open the hood. The air filter is located here. Use a flathead screwdriver to loosen the air hose clamp. Disconnect the sensor by pressing the back tab down and pulling backwards. Pull the air hose back to disengage it with the filter housing. Pop off the wire clip. Remove the screws using a T20 Torx driver. Lift the housing. Remove the old filter. Insert your new filter into the housing. Slide the tabs of the filter cover back into place and make sure that it is secure. Reinstall the housing. Reinstall the screws. Reinstall the wire clip. Slide the air hose back onto the filter housing. Reinstall the sensor. Retighten the hose clamp. Close the hood.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.